A little rising moment from my kitchen. Come share it with me. I'm trying to record, but my dog is being very vocal. I'm gonna make my sourdough a little bit differently. I want to make it more hearty, so I'm gonna put this 10 grain hot cereal into it. So I've been just researching how to do it. So um, I'm gonna boil 75 grams of it in 200 grams of water till it's kind of like oatmeal, and then I'm gonna adjust my water in my regular sourdough recipe, and I'll let you know what that is. So this is what this looks like. I'm gonna let it cool completely. Again, this is the 10 grain hot cereal. I just like hearty flavor of bread, so I'm gonna see how that works. So now I will mix my regular sourdough bread, but I'm gonna tell you how I'm adjusting my water. I need to calculate it. Okay, I'm mixing 100 grams of starter, 275 grams of warm water, and 500 grams of flour. I'm gonna mix it up, cover it up, and let it rest 30 minutes, and then 9 grams of salt. I added 9 grams of salt and mixed it in, and we'll see if that works out. It's just experimenting. So next, when I'm doing the stretch and fold, I'm gonna add my hot cereal, which will be cool by then. So I'm gonna put it up for another 30 minutes. 30 minutes went by, and I'm gonna try to incorporate this cereal into my bread. I may add some other seeds too, so we'll see. But I just want to tell you that I'm also baking with sourdough discard pretty much, because I fed my starter yesterday, and I mixed one bread from it, and I didn't feel like doing more. So this is a discard, but I do it all the time. It's so gross. Is it the best? I don't know, but it looks pretty good to me. So we'll see. We'll see. This is an experiment with those other grains, so we'll find out. We'll find out together. And this dough is way more denser because it don't have as much water, but there's water in this mixture. So maybe it will change the consistency a little bit when I'm done with it. But if I might incorporate a little bit of water in it, I don't know. I've never added water at this point, so I might just have to do it this way and see what comes out of it. And here the seeds are the cereal is incorporated. It's just kind of layered in there. I'm gonna let it sit 30 minutes and stretch it again and do it every 30 minutes till I go to bed. I'm not sure what time it is. Let's see, 7:40. So I got several stretches I can do. I'm making other bread and buns in the middle of it, so this will just kind of get my attention when it's needed, and we'll see what comes out of it. So I'm gonna stretch my bread again, and all I'm doing is just dipping my hand in water, and I'm just gonna do like this. And this one is really dense, so I'm gonna really play-doughy kind of. We'll see. And I'm gonna do this from 4 sides. I'm gonna do another stretch and fold, and then just put it in the fridge till tomorrow night to do a cold ferment. This is 24 hours later. The bread dough looks pretty good. There's all the hot cereal or like the seeds throughout of it. But what I think I'm gonna do, I stretched it out like this, and I think I'm gonna put this trilogy mix, chia, flax, and hemp, just right over here. And then I'm gonna roll it up and put it in a bowl and put it in the fridge for another 24 hours. I'm gonna do about this much just to add extra seeds into it, and going into the fridge for 24 hours. My dough looks good. I'm gonna put some flour on top, score it, and put it in the oven, probably for total 45 minutes at 450 degrees. I'll let you know how it looks when it comes out. My experiment bread is out of the oven, and it smells wonderful. Smells like a wheat bread. You can smell the different grains in there. It's awesome. It looks great. I can't wait to try it later. I just got to let it cool for at least an hour. So maybe when I cut into it, I will attach a picture. But for now, I hope this little moment brought you joy. Until next one. I took a picture, but I want to show you what it looks like. It's got a lot of those grains in there, and then there's like a little dark line. That's my trilogy seeds, like the chia, hemp, and flax seeds. I think next time I'm gonna throw in some sunflower seeds in there too, but I didn't have any, but I already had some. You can see this is for just for me, so that's why I'm touching it with my hands, okay? But look, the size, I mean the rice on it, it's awesome. Of course the design was perfect, and the texture and the flavor are awesome. This will make a great like bread with, you know, to go with your soup, or eat with butter, or eat as a sandwich. I just love it. It's turned out just amazing. I'm just amazed.